If you're looking to make friends online, you can try out this app called Ablo, which connects you with people from around the world. And here's how it works. Once you open the app, you click on tap, and it starts looking for people in different destinations and connects you with a random person. So it looks like the person I'm getting connected to is based in South Korea, and I can start talking with them straight away. So right now I'm connected to someone named Trang. And it appears that the person is actually from Vietnam, and that's why they're using a translation. And I can ask them. What brings them here? I believe that they're looking to improve their English. So there are a couple of reasons why people use this app. One is making friends. Other is like if they want opinion of culture or some guidance regarding travel, this app can be useful. And it does have an option, like let's say if you connect with someone and the conversation is going, you can always add them as friend. And there we go. And if you want, you can share pictures, send them GIFs as well. And it's a good way of sharing content. They also have like people's profile available as well, so you can click and get a little bit more detail on what their language is, how far they are. So they're based in a different country, and sometimes you might not know how far that country is. And then there's also challenges in the app. So it looks like let's say if you complete a video call, it gives you a completion challenge. Let's say if the conversation is not going well, you do have the option to leave as well. So let's try that out. That I say, okay, I'm ready to leave the conversation. And what will happen now is it's gonna give me some points maybe, and it will start connecting with a person in another destination. And now I'm connected to someone in Egypt. The app also features the ability to filter people based on location. So let's say if you want to connect with people just based in Europe, you can do that. However, there is no option to select people by country as of now. And if you want to connect with just women or men, you can do that as well. Both features are paid, and you pay them with coins that you earn with conversations, or you can buy coins as well. So let's say 500 coins is going for about $5.49 right now. There is also ability to have video updates. So these are from the community members, and you can also see updates from your friends as well. So right now I do not have any friends who have video updates, but the option is there. I think the app is really cool, and you should definitely try it out. There might be certain instances where you get disconnected during a conversation. However, that is completely fine. Just continue with your journey. Let me know through comments how you find the app, and if there are any other better alternatives out there, I will be happy to review them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful.